Well, this learning activity was an exploration with the students measuring heart rate. And we started yesterday measuring the effect of exercise on heart rate. And today we continued that and looked at also the effects of body position on heart rate.
The teacher reviews the information compiled the previous day. She hands out 2 different kinds of heart rate monitors and discusses items the students need to remember before beginning the activity.
Let me go over a couple of things for you to remember. How long are you going to step?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. All right? And can you compare heart rates if you don't step at the same rate?
No.
Why not, Michaela? You're going. Why is it not the same?
Because it's not. I can't think of the words.
Well, we have some time.
Because if you don't go up by the same rate, then you're not comparing the same thing.
You're not comparing the same thing. Excellent. Absolutely excellent. If someone races up and down, okay, and someone, I mean, if they go, you know, they're not, and then somebody else steps like, you're not going to be measuring the same thing, and you need to be measuring the same thing. So, you have to step with the metronome.
The students take turns exercising. They record their heart rates and calculate the average heart rates for the males and the females in their class.
Okay, you added up these, right? How many total males do you have?
11.
Okay, so to find the average rate,
Divided by 11.
There is a difference between the average heart rate for the males and females in the class. The students brainstorm for reasons that the difference exists.
All right, it probably is now. Do you think that difference is due to the gender, just male and female?
Maybe.
What do you mean maybe, Tron?
Because maybe to the male body, it wasn't working as hard on the inside. You know, if you're weaker, you work harder to lift something up than a stronger person would.
Okay, now they're saying that the women in this class are weaker. Do you agree?
Saying that might be why. That might.
Okay, Tron, that's true. That's a possibility. It might be why. I want a response from the ladies. The question that I have is, what we were talking about is the heart rate, the beginning heart rate, the heart rate that they start at, or their resting heart rate. How could we figure out whether they're the same for women in this class as for the men? Vanessa?
Find the average of the resting heart rate.
Okay, we could find the average of their resting heart rate. Let me ask you, how many different ways can you rest? Lori, give me one way you rest.
By sleeping.
Okay, so you lay down, right? Okay. Another way you can rest, Abai.
Sitting.
You can sit up.
The students then measure their resting heart rates in 3 different positions: standing, sitting, and lying down.
But you need to stand absolutely still. And you want to you don't want to watch your heart rate. So you want to put it down. Just let your arms hang. You have to be totally relaxed.
The students compare the benefits and drawbacks of the different heart rate monitors.
Why do you think this is more accurate? Abai.
I think it might be a little bit more accurate because it's actually on the heart.
Okay, that's a good suggestion. The other one's not measuring the heart, is measuring the pulse rate through your thumb.
The teacher concludes the lesson by giving the students a graphing assignment.
The other thing I want you to look at is that on the back, and you can graph this one. This is the one we have complete data of. And so you're going to graph using a bar graph comparing the males and females, all right, in heart rate with the graph on the back. Can I borrow this? You can see the graph has 4 places. So you're probably going to be comparing exercise heart rate, so you need a good title, a very good descriptive title. So don't just say heart rate, because you're measuring heart rate in everything. And then you'll probably do sitting, standing, and laying down.